This video is a quick walkthrough of Matplotlib, a data visualization module in Python. So right now I have my simple data for X and Y coordinates and the values and the categories. And now I want to show you how to plot a scatter plot in Matplotlib. I also did a video on how to plot a scatter plot using Tableau. This is for Matplotlib. All right, so let's quickly do it. You're gonna specify color. Let me say red here. Label. You have to specify the label that you want to use. Data points. Perfect. Scatter plot example. Perfect. For the X label, I want it to be X-axis. Let me set Y labels to. I want it to be just a Y-axis label. All right, that's that for the scatter plot. While I'm here, let me just quickly do a bar chart. All right. Let me just do blue label is equals to values. Perfect. I want it to be just bar chart exhibit, then the XX. Categories. Perfect. You just need the values here. And then lastly, I would also need the legend. Legend. Perfect. And since I'm also here again, I'm thinking of a line chart. Let's do line chart. Perfect. Let me copy this one for it to be a little bit faster. Copy. We need X and Y1 coordinates, and also the label is equals to line 1. Color is equals to, we have to specify the color that you want. I'll say blue, and marker is equals to, I'll just do an O like this. Then label. Perfect. We need to specify the color. I can say green. Line style. Yep. And the marker. We can do again. The title. So this would be just a line chart example. Then a XX. X axis level. We can also do the same here. Set y label y. Perfect. Xx. One. We need just also the legend. All right, so I've set up the scatter plot, the line chart, and the bar chart, and let's us adjust the layout and display. Then it will be just plot. Let's see if we get this right. All right, let's see what's going on here. Alrighty, so it shows you how to. So I've created this code now, and now I'm plotting. Uh, all right, and that's basically how you do your scatter plots, your line chart, and your bar charts using Matplotlib. However, with all this code, it will take you time, so you can use data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Click or Amazon QuickSight to do the same thing in a much faster way. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.